it's your girl Karebear coming at you with another YouTube tutorial. Do you want clickable links on your channel like I have here? Let me show you how. When you're on your YouTube channel, you want to click Customize Channel. It's going to take you to channel customization. You're going to click Basic Info. You're going to scroll down to Links. You're going to be able to put as many links as you want in here. Only up to 5 can be shown on your channel. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and comment down below. Catch me live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and some Saturdays on Twitch. Those are clickable, and I didn't know you could add links. I feel like I might have been the last person on earth to know. Do you want to know how to click? Wait, start over. Once you're here at the customized channel, you want to go to branding. On the branding? Oh, it's not branding. Hold on. Okay, here we go. You're too bland? Oh! Oh, knife to the heart. Oh. How many takes is this gonna take? All right, we're getting it this time. Take 3, you know? Take 3. Okay, I'm sweating now. Down to where it says links. You can then put as... The possibilities are endless. Hold up. No! Am I gonna hit my mic? Am I hit my mic? No? Alright, here we go. Yo, it's your girl Karebear coming with you. I can't. I'm fucking dead. Alright, one more. Take 57. Take 57. Yo, it's your girl Karebear coming at you with another YouTube tutorial. You're gonna want to click basic information. It's basic info, but that's okay. Links. My husband's ruining my video! Was the hand movements good? Did I have enough hand movements? Do I need to put both hands in there? What do I do with my hands? Take 69! Perfect.